Acquire phrasal verbs. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use the phrasal verb sleep on. But first, do you want to speak English fluently without hesitation or translation? Check out the course by Adam and Tuan on Skillshare. Right now, you can get a free 1-month premium membership. Just click the link in the description. We use sleep on to mean to postpone a decision until the following day in order to consider it more. You don't need to make a decision right now. You can sleep on it and call us tomorrow. Martina asked her boss for a raise, but he said he'd have to sleep on it. Let me sleep on it. I'll get back to you first thing in the morning. Give it a go. Is there a decision that you need to sleep on? Let us know in the comments. Unlimited English classes. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club and try it for free for 7 days. Talk to you soon.